Ever wondered why your knuckles crack? Let's find out the science behind it. Your knuckles crack because of tiny bubbles in the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. When you stretch or bend your fingers, the pressure in the joint changes, causing these bubbles to form and collapse, creating that familiar popping sound. For most people, cracking knuckles feels relieving and isn't harmful. But don't overdo it. Excessive cracking might lead to joint discomfort over time. Want to keep your joints healthy? Regular stretching and hand exercises can improve flexibility without the need to crack. So next time you crack your knuckles, you'll know exactly what's going on inside. Curious about why some people get brain freeze? Stay tuned for my next video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating facts.